In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. Dear student, suppose you wish to move a wall by pushing it. You apply a lot of force on it, but in after many hours it does not move even a bit from its place. You feel tired and think you have done a lot of work on the wall, but in terms of science you have not done any kind of work. Now in today's class we will study about work and energy from chapter 12, force, work and energy. Students, in science, work is said to be done only if force applied on a body moves it in the direction of the force, or when we use a force to move an object to a distance when both the force and the motion of the object are in the same direction. बेटा साइंस में वर्क की डेफिनेशन ये होती है जब आप किसी चीज पर फोर्स अप्लाई करें तो वो चीज मूव करे और उसी डायरेक्शन में मूव करे जिस डायरेक्शन में आप फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मूविंग अ कार्ट, किकिंग अ फुटबॉल, पिकिंग अप अ बुक फ्रॉम द टेबल और आउट ऑफ द बैग and keeping it on the shelf, hitting a ball with a bat, etc. are some examples of work. In order to apply force and perform the work, we need the ability to do it. And the ability to perform the work is known as energy. And energy can be obtained from the food we eat, like vegetables, fruits, and nuts that give you energy. The sun is the main source of energy. Let us learn about some important types of energy. Mechanical energy. It is the energy possessed by a body due to its position or motion. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी वो एनर्जी होती है जो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन और उसकी मोशन की वजह से उसमें मौजूद हो. इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. These are the two types of mechanical energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन की वजह से उसमें जो एनर्जी मौजूद होती है उसको पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कहते हैं. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. और किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की मोशन की वजह से उसमें जो एनर्जी प्रेजेंट होती है उसको काइनेटिक एनर्जी कहते हैं. हीट एनर्जी. It is a form of energy which is responsible for the sensation of hotness or coldness. We get heat energy from the sun and also by burning various fuels like wood and coal. हीट एनर्जी वो एनर्जी है जिससे हमें किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस का पता चलता है. हमें हीट एनर्जी सन से मिलती है और जो वेरियस फ्यूल्स होते हैं वुड और कोल, इनको जब हम जलाते हैं इससे भी हमें हीट एनर्जी मिलती है. लाइट एनर्जी. It is a form of energy that makes things and objects visible to us. The sun is the main natural source of light for us. We also get light from stars, bulbs, and energy savers. Electrical energy. It is also an important form of energy in our daily life. This energy is produced by the flow of electrons. We use this energy to run electrical appliances. बेटा इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी भी एनर्जी की फॉर्म होती है और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी है. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन के फ्लो से प्रोड्यूस होती है. इसके जरिए हम जितनी भी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस हैं वो रन कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, you know that magnets attract other magnets and metal objects. This means that magnets exert force on them. This force is due to the energy of magnet. मैग्नेट जिस फोर्स से दूसरे मैग्नेट्स और मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अट्रैक्ट करता है इसको मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी कहते हैं. एंड दिस फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी इज यूज्ड for various purposes like lifting of heavy iron objects by using a powerful and strong magnet. Sound is also a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing our ears. Sound energy is produced by radio and television and other musical instruments like guitar. Beta, this is a windmill. Windmill is a machine that uses wind energy to run turbines in order to produce electrical energy. Windmills are also used for drawing underground water. बेटा विंड भी जो है वो नेचुरल सोर्स है एनर्जी का. इस विंड को यूज करके हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं बाय दिस विंड मिल. Students, you know that the sun is the greatest source of heat and light. The huge amount of energy emitting from the sun is known as solar energy. Solar energy that comes from the sun in the form of heat and light. बेटा हमारे पास जो सन से हीट और लाइट आती है इसको सोलर एनर्जी कहते हैं. And this energy is utilized by plants in the preparation of their food, and it is also used to produce electricity and to run automobiles. इसी सोलर एनर्जी को यूज करते हैं प्लांट्स अपना फूड बनाने के लिए और इसी एनर्जी को यूज करते हैं हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाने के लिए. Now it's time for your homework. Do question number 5 and 6 in your classwork copy, and both are long questions. Question number 5 is define heat energy, name its various sources. And question number 6 is briefly explain the uses of solar energy. Do scientific investigation which are given into your book on page number 126. Do this scientific investigation in your classwork copy. This is your homework. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kuratulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.